Okay, what I'm going to do now is put some of the punchings we did earlier into a kind of context with the footwork, the punching, and hip movement. But what we'll do now is we're going to be using a straight line, and there'll be two of us. A partner will be going forward and backward, sticking out the jab to my forehead. So its training activity is going backward and forward, one person jabbing to the other person's continually to their head. The other person now will be working on their footwork, hip movement, and getting in the left hook, which will require me then using that hip in that technique, which I was trying to get across, that you've got to use it to get your power and speed in rather than bringing your hand all the way out. So this is an activity, training activity for that, requiring the footwork, hip movement. Okay? Just jab me. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Backward, now your foot. Okay. Okay, so now we'll start the activity now. So I'll do the combination. Okay? Come. 1, 2. Okay? 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, next drill is a drill for footwork and for the slipping or movement. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is, I'm going to be jabbing. His job is to be continually moving, but the distance is in, out. In, get the fast jabs, and then out. In, and then out. In, out. When that, the vital thing in that is your feet, because it'll be his feet that gets in and out, and how he uses his feet. So that'll be the main purpose of the training activity. Him moving, using his feet in and out from the punches, and then getting out, and then getting in and not getting hit. Slipping, and then coming in, and then out. That's it. And his back foot will be vital. It'll be his back foot that takes him in and out. That's it. That's it. Push. That's it. Good. That's it. That's it. That's it. Bring that back foot right in to push you in. Back foot in to push you in, but then that'll take you out. That's it, and then that'll take you out. That's it. Back foot in. The next drill is to train the skill of slipping. Now this is a drill where I did an awful lot of it here in the UK, but it came into fruition a lot in Detroit, where what I call the sharpshooters, I had to employ this skill simply to be able to avoid my head getting ripped off by a lot of the lightweights over there in Detroit. Now this training skill is it's demonstrated they have to do it first on the floor, where they're on their knees, hands behind them, and the focus is for them to observe the punch and observe where it's coming from to be able to slip out of the way. And we'll now demonstrate that. Okay? So hands behind the head, and the point now is for him to slip the punch, but what we do now is say Not too wide, as if it's going to shave you. That's it. So we're going to have want a shave, nice shave. Okay, now what we'll do now is stand up now for that, and we'll do the same, hands behind your back again. So now we're taking that step further from knees. Okay, just stay there. That's it. Good. Brilliant. Good.